Hi, I'm Alex, a manufacturing engineer at Leatherman Tool Group. Today, I'll be telling you about the pocket clips that are available for your Leatherman multi-purpose tool. There are a variety of ways to carry your Leatherman tool. One of the most practical is the pocket clip. A pocket clip ensures you have the right tools with you wherever you go. Although not all Leatherman tools are compatible with pocket clips, there are many that are, including the Free Series, Bond, Curl, Surge, Wave Plus, Charge Plus, Charge Plus TTI, Sidekick, Wingman, and the Mutt multi-tool. Now let's walk through how to remove and replace each style of pocket clip. For the Free Series, Bond, and Curl multi-tools, you'll need a Torx number 6 to remove or install the pocket clip. First, locate the Torx screws on your multi-tool. Next, carefully unscrew them until the pocket clip is removed. You can now attach your new pocket clip by fastening the clip with the Torx screws. For the Wave and Surge, you can purchase a removable pocket clip to install on your tool. For the Charge and Charge Plus TTI, a pocket clip comes standard with each product. These pocket clips come in a stainless steel finish or a non-reflective black oxide finish. To install the pocket clip, locate the slot near the thumb lock, press down and insert the clip, then release the lock. When you're ready to remove it, just press down on the lock and remove the pocket clip. For Sidekick and Wingman, you'll need a Torx number 10 to remove and replace the pocket clip. Start by locating the Torx screw on your multi-tool. Next, carefully unscrew the fastener until the pocket clip is removed. You can now attach your new pocket clip by fastening the clip with the Torx screw. For the Mutt multi-tool, you can replace the installed pocket clip with a stainless steel finish or black oxide finish clip. You'll need a Torx number 8 to remove and install the pocket clip. Start by locating the Torx screws on your multi-tool. Next, carefully unscrew the fasteners until the clip is removed. You can now attach your new pocket clip by fastening the clip with the Torx screws. To see our full lineup of multi-purpose tools or to check out our great accessories and replacement parts, visit us at leatherman.com.